The Abia State Government has officially commenced the clearing of the access road leading to the airport's runway, a significant milestone in the state's vision for enhanced connectivity and economic growth. The Chief of Staff to the Governor, top executive from Cranborg Construction Company, and even community leaders and other key government officials were present at the site to witness the commencement of this major development. The clearing process is expected to be completed within 5 to 7 days from yesterday, paving the way for further construction work on the runway and surrounding infrastructure. The Abia State Airport project is one of the most ambitious infrastructural initiatives in Abia's history. Once completed, the airport is expected to boost economic growth, improve accessibility, create job opportunities, and even attract investors alike. Residents of the surrounding communities, as you can see in the video, they were seen celebrating as the project took shape. The chairman of the Landowners Association assured the government of full cooperation, emphasizing that the project will also bring development to the region. Now that the land clearing has started, the next stages will involve leveling and grading of the road, laying of foundation and drainage systems, and paving and surfacing for smooth access to the airport. Governor Alex Oti's administration is indeed showing a strong commitment to infrastructural transformation, and the progress on the Abia Airport is a clear indication that Abia is on the move. What do you think about these developments? Continue to stay tuned to our channel for more updates.